Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get a Duo Mobile activation code. So if you're trying to activate Duo Mobile, then just follow along. Most users won't receive a separate activation code because Duo Mobile is usually activated by scanning a QR code. However, if your organization uses activation links or activation codes, they'll normally be provided by your employer, school, or IT administration. Then you need to sign into the website or service you're trying to protect and check the Duo enrollment page. And if an activation code is available, you need to follow the instruction provided and enter it into the Duo mobile app if requested. Then, if you haven't received one, you need to contact your organization support team to request a new activation code or enrollment link. So that was how to get a Duo mobile activation code. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.